Debmalya. I'm a fifth year grad student in Professor Laura Gagli at this group. So I'm a computational chemist, and as a computational chemist, my role is to model interesting problems using supercomputers such as one in Minnesota Supercomputing Institute. What I do here, my major research focus is solar energy related research. As a part of my research, what I'm trying to do is that designing new solar energy material which is not only good but also non-toxic and made of earth abundant materials. So what we are looking for a new class of materials called perovskites and also another class of material called pyrite. The other research I do is on metal organic framework. So I'm looking at various aspects of metal organic framework such as electrical conductivity, catalysis, gas storage application, and nerve agent binding. Moreover, I do some other research on actinide chemistry, which is on the more on the fundamental side. What we do there is that we try to understand the basic bonding and electronic properties of those actinide compounds, which are extremely hard to model or understand experimentally. But it's easier to do computationally and get insight into those compounds and help the experimentalists to guide their experiments. There are 6 computational faculties here, which is really rare compared to other US universities. So it's a very diverse department in terms of computational research. The grad student experience in Minnesota for me was really nice. And one of the biggest advantage or advice I got when I joined the department was that ask questions. And I realized during my PhD that most of my problems, almost 80% of the problems, are fixed just by asking questions to my advisor or my fellow grad students or seniors or anyone in the department, basically. And another important aspect about the department that I really like is that how department cares about the grad student mental health. I think it's one of the major issue we are facing throughout the world, not only in US. And I think it's very important for our grad student success life, because if your mental health is not in a proper place, I think there is a lesser chance you'll be successful in your grad life.